Hello, today I'm doing unboxing of Ugg boots, but these ones are different kind. They are not like typical Uggs, but these ones are more like boots with platform, and the style is similar to Dr. Martens. So here they are. Ta-da! One. They have this inside, and then they have this, then this, and another one. Yay! The style is called Sidnee, and I've got them in 9.5. I would say they run true to size. Yay, this kind. So they look really similar to, although not fully, but they are little style of Dr. Martens. They have nice, they are made from nice black leather. Although it looks like the leather might be covered with something. It's from leather. Here we have nice laces that are attached with these weird straps. And last laces are on this kind of metal loops. But they also come with zipper. Then you don't have to do laces and you just zip them up and down to open and put leg. And the zipper is really nice, smooth. And inside they are lined with some material that is looking like this. I would say it's some material that reminds leather, but it's not leather. It's like material, cotton or polyester, I'm not sure. And then inside they also have this kind of insert which has sheepskin fur, so they are nice because they are for winter. They are nice because they have that sheepskin insert, but it's attached, you cannot remove them, and they will keep your feet warm. And they have really nice thick platform, and here it says sock lining 80% wool, 20% lyocell, sock lining backing 100% recycled polyester, Ugg plush. Yeah, it says on the sticker. And the front looks like this. And here is another one, looks the same. And I will maybe try them on to see how they look, but before that I have to untie them. This is how they look on me. This can be tied up more. Looks like this. I'm wearing Abercrombie sweatpants with them. So I don't know if it's good connection, but it looks like this. So it looks like this. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such unboxing, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.